Alphas and Alphettes. How's it going, guys? It's about close to 4-ish today and I need to go to the gym. And I was meant to go yesterday, but I was so tired from work, so I'm gonna go today instead. And tonight I have plans to go to dinner with some of my girls, and yeah, today has been a pretty good day. I went to get my nails done from Miss Thing Nails. How gorgeous is that? So pretty, right? I'll link her Facebook and her Instagram down below. And yeah, so today I have an upper body day. It's quite heavy for bench. We'll see how we go with that, but the main goal really is trying not to break my nails at the gym. And this is the reason why I didn't get my nails done for so long, because I keep breaking them. And I got fed up with it. I cut all of it and I just needed to wait for it to grow out again. So yeah. Hey guys, well, I finished getting ready. So I'm just waiting for the girls to come, and I'm thinking of changing my screen protector now. But I don't know. Do I have time? What is this loop in my hair? Hey guys, we're at Good Time Burgers with my girls, Quinn and Brenda, and they decided that they're gonna surprise me for my birthday, belated birthday gift. Sorry, just gonna like fuck the wrapping. I'm so excited. No, what? I actually wanted this. Yes! Okay. Is it a palette?
I can't wait. I know. This one's like the better one. Yeah.
Oh my god, just that's a lady. Yeah! She likes it. What? No, you guys look. I'm gonna cry. Oh my god, thank you so much. What the heck? You girls are like crazy. I need to open this.
The viewers aren't.
Oh, it was a contour kit. Oh, there we go. You can stop now.
Okay,
The Lord of the Rings. Yeah, 8.
Oh, okay.
And Quinn got the pizza burger. It's not like a meatball. And Brenda has Lord of the Rings as well. And this is what's in it. Okay guys, today we're going to Casula anytime. It just opened, so we're going to look at it. I'm here with my best friend, but she doesn't want to be in the vlog. But we're actually twinning. Like, I'm wearing a ProjectxAlpha shirt and tights, and Reggie's on his way as well.
Guys, so I'm here at Anytime Fitness Casula. It's a new Anytime Fitness up in the, I probably would say, southwest area. I'm meeting up with Alice and her best friend Jenny. We're gonna train legs. I usually train legs on Thursday, but I saved it for this, and I got a call and apparently it's really empty, so footage to come soon. So we out here. This is it, that purple thing. Anytime Fitness. Looking pretty empty. Give you a tour inside. Peace.
Okay guys, Reggie's wearing his shirt as well. Jenny's wearing hers.
This is actually...
This is so... I know.
Just do 5.